Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to make a logo in Capcut. Alright, so let's begin the video. First of all, open up the project you wish to go and add the logo to, and then make sure you don't have anything selected. If you do, just press the back button in the bottom left and go and click on overlay at the bottom like so. Click on add overlay. You'll need to go and select photos and make sure you've got your logo, which you wish to insert saved to a camera roll. You can then select it by going to the top right of the image and pressing on the little checkbox, and then go to the bottom right and click on add. So there's my logo there. You can then pinch it to go and resize it. And what you can also do is adjust how long it's in the video for by using the end points and the start points in the timeline. So you can use these points to go and make it longer or shorter. And if you wish to go and remove the background, then what you can do is make sure you've got it selected, and then in the bottom scroll along until you see remove BG or remove background. You can then use auto removal, custom removal, or chroma key. Because I've just got a white background, I'll click on chroma key and you can then choose the color you wish to go and remove. In my case, I'll set the white. Then you can go to intensity and you can start to increase it, and that will go and remove the background. You can go and use shadow if you like as well. I'm not going to, I'll just press the tick and there we go. So I'll reposition it, and now when I play the video, the logo is there. So that's basically how to make a logo in Capcut. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.